Good day, I'm Eisen and Lauron, and this is my learning outcome about the subject navigation. I learned a lot from our navigation subject. I learned how to use navigation materials and how to plot. I learned how important the use of navigation instruments, and I learned how to plot position lines and determine ship's position using terrestrial observation and determine different methods in fixing a position and applying the common international notations in plotting on chart, and several types of position line like compass bearing, transit, leading, lights or line, section lights, and the international notations. Conventions for plotting in the chart like line position, circle of position, fixed intersection of the LOP, running fix, and fix. I also learned about position and position lines, different methods of obtaining a fix, and the instruments or equipment used to obtain distance bearing of the object: radar, alpha, range finder, stadimeter, sextant, and GPS, and errors of LOP due to imperfections in plotting, human limitations, and error to bearing not correctly applied, and the coordinates of which is latitude and the longitude. And there are 7 methods of obtaining a fix: by cross bearing, by cocked hat, by bearing and a range, by two ranges, by bearing and distance of the same object, by bearing and distance of different objects, and by distance of 2 or more points. And I learned how to calculate a dead reckoning position by using danger, bearing, running fix, leeway, and application of leeway in the compass problems, and calculations of the direction and rates. And I learned about an estimated position, which is based upon whatever incomplete navigational information is available, such as a single LOP, a series of depth sounding correlated to charted depths, or a visual observation of the surroundings. And I learned about tidal streams, tidal diamonds, spring tide, neap tides, set and drift, and also tidal atlases. And lastly, the wind directions are direction from which the wind blows. That's all. Thank you.